Good day everyone, good day. I'm taking the time out to do this video to big up my courier that goes by the name of Island Shipper. At first, when I saw Daydream constantly posting them on their page, I was kind of skeptic about it, and then when I visit their site, I said, alright, let me sign up. And trust me, I've been using their service 1 year and they never failed. You make your purchase on whatever website you want to purchase from. You go on their website, you sign in rather on their website, you do your shipping alert, and once you make payment, boom, package reach at your foot. So more big up Island Shipper right through. Great customer service, excellent team, big up.